want to talk a little bit about some new products. They may not be brand new products, they're really more new to me, and some of them are not really new. I've heard of them before, they've been around for a little bit, but this is the first time I've tried them, so to me they're like new products. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to talk about is the Revlon Exactify Liquid Liner. This is a very unique product. This one is, like I say, new to me. It may have been around for a while. I just saw it recently. So of course I had to try it. I'm always looking for a good eyeliner. I was really surprised. I thought for sure this would be an easy way to get a straight line going across the eye, upper and lower lid, but I was wrong. This is a wand, a regular wand, but it has a little wheel on the end of it. The problem is that it's good in theory, but your eye is not a straight line. Your eye is curved. So there's definitely a learning curve there. I think if you probably went across it a few times in little dashes and then connected the dashes, that would be okay. But there's definitely a learning curve here. And I don't know about you, but for me, I just want to get ready and get out the door quickly. I don't want to have to mess around with this, especially if it's not long wearing. I did give it a full day wear test, and it's not long wearing. It's just a plain old eyeliner, and if I have to do that, play with it and to get it to work, and it's not, giving me any extra wear time, I would say this was a pass. Keep your money on this one. This one was, I think, $12.99. I paid for it, and I just did not like it. I tried. I just couldn't like it. So I also tried the Essence Super Last Eyeliner. This one caught my eye because it said on the tube, 18-hour wear. Really? 18 hours? Okay, let's do it. It was inexpensive. I gotta try it. Well, when I got it home and tried it, the applicator tip was very unusual. It was like nothing I'd ever tried before. It was like a long piece of plastic, flexible plastic. It wasn't a brush. There were no hairs. It wasn't firm like a marker, like an eyeliner marker. It was just this very flexible piece of plastic. And it was another one. There was a learning curve. But okay, if I can get 18 hours of wear out of it, I'll learn, right? Whereas 18 minutes was more like it. I don't even think I got out the door for work before it started breaking up. So I was really surprised that they could put something like that on the package and think they could get away with it. So yeah, that one definitely got returned. Don't even bother. I mean, it's a nice theory, but it's just one of those things that just doesn't work out for you. So pass on that one, girls. So this product I've seen around probably, 6 months, maybe longer. And it looks like it's a great idea, but I don't know why. I didn't try it because maybe because I felt like my eyes were too far gone. This is like an instant eye lift, I think they call it. Yes, it's called eye lift tapes. And they give you the illusion of having more real estate on your eyelid. Now my eyes are pretty hooded. You really can't see too much of the lower lid over here, the bottom part of the lid, I should say. So these tapes that you put on lift up your lid, supposedly, to give you the illusion of having more real estate on the eyes. So I had read about these. I had heard some people say that they do really work. They work good. They like them. So I thought, all right, maybe it's time for me to try it. They were very generous. They were inexpensive and very generous. There were 2 packages in the the box, and it came with not only instructions, and they were pretty thorough instructions, but it also came with tweezers and another applicator. I knew that if I had any kind of oil or grease on my eyelids, they weren't going to stick. So I made sure I put powder on before I tried to put these down. So there were 2 sizes. There was a thinner size and a wider size. First I tried with the thinner one, and I gotta tell you, I didn't see any improvement whatsoever. So I thought, okay, well, my eyes are too far gone. I need the wider one. So I did. I took the wider one out and put that one on, and there was a little bit of a lift, but really, Not that much. Not even probably noticeable to other people. I mean, I saw a little bit of a lift, but I don't think it was that very noticeable at all. And then the worst part of it was it didn't. I went to put eyeshadow, and according to the directions, you put eyeshadow over it, completely it covers, it's fine, nobody will even see them. Well, I tried putting eyeshadow on, and it just didn't work. And no matter what color, how much I put on, you could still see the tapes there. Now, who's gonna go around with tapes on their eyelids that people can see? Not me. Like I said, the price was right, but there was no payoff on this one. Just no, another one. You know, I really feel bad when I have to do reviews like this, that I tell you about all these products and then they all flop. You know, I really do. I feel bad. I feel like I'm being negative, but I feel also like that really I'm being realistic. And why not save you from going through the same experience and the hassle that I went through? But this last product is definitely a thumbs up. Have you ever gone swimming and had your eyebrows disappear on you? Or you're working out and you wipe your eyes and you lose half your eyebrow? That's happened to me before. Sometimes I just need something that's going to stay on. And any other product that I use just does not stay on. So actually I did a few years back go and get my eyebrows tattooed. And I spent it was about $450 I spent. It lasted about 6 or 8 months and then it was gone. And I wasn't going to do it again for such a short amount of time. So I saw this product. Well, I didn't see exactly this product. I saw a product exactly like it on Pinterest with the brand name of Maybelline. So I started searching for it and I'm looking and looking, and the only place I could find it was on eBay, and it was coming from South Korea. So I thought something is not right here. If it's a Maybelline brand, I should be able to get it in the United States, not just South Korea. So I was hesitant, and I thought, no, I'm not going to buy it. I'm not going to do it because something sounds fishy here. So okay, I passed. Well, time went by, and I found basically it's the same product that I saw on Pinterest, only the name is different. It's called Baddie Brow Gel. And what it is, it's like tar in a tube. Let me tell you, it's this very thick tar-like substance, and you paint it on your brows, and you want to make sure that you have very clean brows that are free of oil, because if you have any kind of oil or moisturizer, anything like that, it's not going to stick. But you want it to stick because it's going to not only dye your skin, it dyes the skin underneath your hairs, but it will also dye the hairs on your brows. So if you have gray brows that you can't keep plucking them all. You're going to look like Jeffree Star. You're not going to have any eyebrows at all. I mean, basically, you don't have to do anything. You can get up and put your makeup on. I do a little touch up here and there with a pencil. I'm done in a minute. Fast. So the instructions say to put it on, leave it on for a minimum of 2 hours, as long as overnight. For this, I tried to leave it on overnight whenever I use it. You have to use it once a week. They tell you that it doesn't pull out your eyebrow hairs, but that's not exactly true. When I pulled the product out, and when you pull it out, once it's dry and it's set, the whole thing just pulls right off in one piece, or it's supposed to. And it's not supposed to pull any of your hairs out, but it does. I could feel it pulling some of the brow hairs out. So, that's one thing right there. But once you've completed it, you're set for a week. I think I bought this. The first time I bought it, I bought natural brown, and it definitely had a reddish tint to it. So the second time, once that tube was empty, I bought another tube, and it was dark brown. And that was better for me. They said if you're blonde, redhead, or gray, use the natural brown, but it was really too reddish for me. So I went with the dark brown, and it was perfect. And let me tell you, it works. So out of the 4 products I got, I'll give you one that's a thumbs up.